Hi guys, and welcome to this next episode. I'll be covering 3 locations in this episode, and my first one being is what you can see right behind me, and about the Kelpies, or the Helix it's known as well, Falkirk, Scotland. So 3 locations today, and at the end of this episode I will be revealing the winner of my workshop in Glencoe. So stay tuned and you'll see who the winner is. Anyway, back to this location, the Helix, and or the Kelpies it's also known as. I've just been plodding around, and my aim here tonight was basically isolating these Kelpies behind me, which you can see. They're all lit up tonight in respect of what's happening in Ukraine, so the blues and the yellows are coming out quite nicely. You'll see me images on the end in my little montage, as I always do. But firstly, thank you very much for hitting that like and subscribe if you are subscribed to my channel, and it does make a ton of difference for us. And yeah, thank you very much. So back to these Kelpies. I've been isolating them rather than taking the images of the clouds behind. I like that darkness behind them, so it brings out all of the colours in these actual structures itself. My main settings tonight have been f4, ISO 400, at 16mm to 20mm, just plodding around, and I haven't been putting my 2.8 lens on. I don't think it's worth it, so I've stuck at f4 and 1 second, and they're turning out really nicely. Anyway, let's get on to my next location, what I'm looking forward to, and hopefully it's going to be a nice sunrise location. Portobello Beach. See you there. Bye for now. Hi guys, so morning and welcome to Portobello Beach. Fantastic place. This is my first time in this location, and what a sunrise this morning coming up behind me over here, and the clouds in the opposite direction turning a nice pinky colour. The tide is out at the minute. I'm going to come back here possibly, might do. I say I might do, I possibly will. But this morning I've been shooting nice and low, getting the ripples of the sand, catching the groins, and most importantly that sunrise coming up. Fantastic location this, definitely worth the visit. Portobello Beach, 3 words on the screen now for where this place is. Just on the outskirts of Edinburgh, this place. From here I'll be shooting down further on the coast and firing down to the bridge to nowhere in Dunbar, well, Belhaven Bridge, and fantastic. Anyway, let's get on, get some images done, less talking, more images, and see you next location. Hi guys, and welcome to Dunbar, and I'm at the bridge to nowhere in the background here. So just banging off a long exposure shots. That's what this place is all about, long exposures. Just to smooth that water out. The sandbank across here wasn't covered as much as what I wanted it to be, but yeah, still made a good picture out of it. Anyway, settings for this location: shooting in the middle of the day, 10 stop on with a 0.6 hard grad for the sky, shooting at f16, middle of the day, and at 30 seconds. Plain and simple for this one. Nice easy shot. Turning out very blue, the picture, but absolutely fantastic. Anyway, let's get back home and do this draw and see who find out the winner is. See you soon guys. Bye for now. Hi guys, and welcome to the photo cave. So Glencoe workshop lottery draw. So well done for all the folks that commented workshop on the comments on that video on Glencoe, and for the like and subscribe to the channel as well. So I've wrote out all the names, absolutely loads of them for the draw. So I'll cut all these up and put them in a hat. Before I do that though, my future intentions, I'm back in Glencoe in a couple of days time. Loads more throughout Scotland to cover, especially up in the Highlands as well. The weather's been letting me down. Well, we've had a few storms come in, so I couldn't get no summit shots, but hopefully all that is going to change and I will be up in the mountains very, very soon. A bit of international travel later on in the year. I'm not going to reveal what that is, be a little bit of a surprise for you, but yeah, it's all looking good. And let's get these names in the hat, cut up and draw one. So that's all the names cut up. Just gotta crinkle all these up into little tiny balls, then put them in a hat and magically pick one out. Oh, so many names, a few suspect names as well. So guys, all the names in the hat. Give them a little shuggle. Put my hand in, I'll roll my sleeves up so I'm not cheating, pulling out random names. In goes my hand. I'll pick one name out. Hopefully it's one. Yep, one name. There we go, it's in my right hand. And who is this? Well done, that person. Who is it? Charlie Dixon. Well done, Charlie. I'll be seeing you in October this year and March next year. So in between those dates, October and March, and I'll see you there. And thanks again for all that have entered. And well done, Charlie. And I'll be seeing you from October onwards. Thanks again guys for tuning in, and see you outside on a hill somewhere or a mountain. Bye for now.